Hey there, Stoic enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for mastering the ancient art of Stoicism and enhancing your personal growth. I'm Salsi, your guide on this journey towards a more intentional and fulfilling life. Today, we have a powerful topic that's sure to captivate your interest. How to make anyone think about you non-stop. Make them addicted to you. Stoic prowess. Now, before you hit that subscribe button and dive into the wisdom of the Stoics, let's unravel the secrets of applying Stoic principles to not only influence, but to deeply connect with those around you. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy. It's a way of life that empowers us to navigate the complexities of human relationships with grace and resilience. So, if you're ready to cultivate Stoic prowess and leave a lasting impression on the minds of others, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore timeless Stoic teachings and practical strategies that will not only make others think about you non-stop, but also create genuine connections rooted in virtue. Get ready to unlock the secrets to becoming an irresistible force of Stoic influence. If you're excited about mastering the art of Stoicism and leaving a lasting impact, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and let's dive deep into the wisdom of the Stoics together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. The magic of mystery. Have you ever noticed how a mystery book is hard to put down until you've turned the last page? That's because humans are wired to love the thrill of the chase and the excitement of not knowing. This same principle applies to how people think about others. When someone can't quite figure you out, they find themselves thinking about you more and more. So, how do you become that mystery book in someone's life? It's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Break the predictability cycle. First things first. Let's talk about predictability. If people always know what you're going to say or do, there's no intrigue, no suspense. That's why the first step is to sprinkle a little unpredictability into your interactions. Maybe one day you're sharing stories and laughing together, and the next you're a bit more reserved, leaving them wondering what's on your mind. This doesn't mean playing games or being inconsistent with your core values. It's about adding layers to your personality that others are intrigued to uncover. Step 2. Sharing doses. Imagine you're a book, but instead of letting someone read you cover to cover in one sitting, you only let them read a chapter at a time. Share bits and pieces about yourself gradually. When you reveal everything all at once, there's no mystery left. But when you share in doses, you create a narrative that others are eager to follow. They'll find themselves thinking about you, pondering over the bits they've learned, and curious about what they still don't know. Step 3. Embrace your unique interests. What makes you? Well, you. Maybe it's your passion for stargazing, your knack for painting, or your love for obscure music genres. These unique interests make you interesting. When you talk about your passions, not only do you light up, but you also become an enigma. People are drawn to those who have their own thing going on. It's like being invited to explore a world they've never seen before. The real secret to being mysterious isn't about pretending to be someone you're not or crafting a persona. That's not true to you. It's about being genuinely yourself, but in a way that leaves others wanting to know more. Remember, the goal isn't to make people feel like they're on the outside looking in, but rather to invite them on a journey to discover the depths of who you are, one intriguing piece at a time. 2. Calibrating your emotional expressions. The way you express your emotions and excitement plays a crucial role in how often and intensely someone thinks about you. It's about striking the right balance, showing enough to keep them interested, but holding back just enough to keep them wanting more. Here's how you can master this delicate balance. Step 1. Moderate your enthusiasm. While it's important to show interest and enthusiasm when you're with someone, overdoing it can sometimes have the opposite effect. If you seem too eager or overly excited, it might make you appear less valuable or too easy to obtain. Practice moderation by expressing genuine interest and happiness in seeing them, but also convey that you have a fulfilling life outside of this relationship. This approach keeps them curious and intrigued about your world and your feelings. Step 2. Build anticipation through subtlety. Anticipation is a powerful emotion. You can build anticipation by hinting at plans or surprises without giving everything away. For example, mention that you're planning something fun for the next time you meet, but keep the details a mystery. This subtlety adds an element of excitement and keeps them thinking about what might be coming next, making you a constant presence in their thoughts. Step 3. Use nonverbal cues to your advantage. Nonverbal communication, such as eye contact, body language, and facial expressions, can convey a lot about your feelings without you having to say a word. Use these cues to show your interest and affection in a nuanced way. A lingering look or a subtle smile can convey more than a dozen words, sparking their imagination and making them wonder about the depth of your feelings. Step 4. Share joy in their success. When they share something positive with you, whether it's a personal achievement or something small that made their day, show genuine happiness for them. Your joy in their success strengthens the emotional bond between you, making them value your presence in their life even more. However, keep your reactions balanced. Over-the-top enthusiasm for every little thing can dilute the impact of your support. Engaging with someone on an emotional level requires a nuanced approach. By calibrating your expressions of enthusiasm and using anticipation and nonverbal cues effectively, you create a dynamic interaction that keeps them guessing and wanting more. Remember, the goal is to foster a deep connection based on genuine interest and affection, not manipulation. This careful balance of showing interest while maintaining an air of mystery makes you an irresistible thought in their mind. 3. The power of absence. Sometimes not being present can make you more present in someone's thoughts than you might imagine. It's a paradox, but absence truly does make the heart grow fonder. Here's how to use the power of absence to make someone think about you. Non-stop. Step 1. Cultivate your world. Before you can effectively use absence to your advantage, it's crucial to have a life that's rich and fulfilling on its own. Dive into hobbies, passions, and personal growth. This not only makes you more interesting, but also ensures that when you're not around, you're genuinely engaged in activities that enrich your life. Your fulfilled life becomes intriguing and attractive, making them wonder what you're up to and increasing their desire to be a part of it. Step 2. Balance connection with independence. While staying connected is important, so is maintaining a healthy level of independence. After a period of close interaction, intentionally take some time for yourself. This could mean a few days where you're less available online or taking a weekend trip to focus on a personal project. The key is not to disappear without a trace, but to communicate that you're taking some me time. This balance creates a dynamic where your presence is missed, igniting curiosity and anticipation for your return. Step 3. Use silence strategically. Silence is a powerful tool when used thoughtfully. After a meaningful conversation or a shared experience, Allowing some space before you reach out again can amplify the impact of your interactions. It gives them time to miss you, to reflect on your time together, and to look forward to your next conversation. This doesn't mean ignoring messages or playing hard to get. It's about giving interactions room to breathe, enhancing their value and impact. Step 4. Re-engage with fresh energy. When you do come back into contact after a period of absence, bring something new to the table. Share an insight from your time away, a new interest you've discovered, or a funny story. This fresh energy revitalizes the connection and shows that you're coming back, not just with your presence, but with new facets of yourself to share. This dynamic approach keeps the relationship vibrant and makes your return something they look forward to. The art of making someone miss you isn't about manipulation or causing anxiety. It's about understanding the natural ebb and flow of human connection. By balancing your presence with absence, you create a rhythm that keeps the relationship exciting and unpredictable. Remember, the goal is to enrich the connection, making the times you are together even more meaningful and anticipated. 4. Creating emotional connection. Ever wonder why some people just stick in your mind, tugging at your heartstrings, even when they're not around? It's because they've made an emotional connection with you. Emotional connections are like invisible threads that bind people together, making the thought of someone linger in your mind. Here's how you can create that lasting emotional bond. Step 1. Listen deeply. Listening is an art. When you truly listen to someone, you're not just hearing their words, you're understanding their feelings, fears, and dreams. It's about giving them your full attention, showing genuine interest, and responding with empathy. This kind of deep listening makes people feel valued and understood, creating a strong emotional connection. They'll find themselves thinking about you because you made them feel heard in a way that perhaps no one else has. Step 2. Share vulnerabilities. Vulnerability is powerful. Sharing your fears, hopes, and dreams isn't a sign of weakness. It's a bridge to genuine connection. When you open up, you invite others to do the same, creating a mutual bond of trust and intimacy. This doesn't mean you have to lay bare your deepest secrets from the get-go. Start small, and as the relationship grows, allow your vulnerabilities to show. This mutual exchange deepens the connection, making you a constant thought in their mind because of the trust and closeness shared. Step 3. Be present in the moments. In today's world where distractions are everywhere, being fully present with someone is a rare gift. When you're with them, be with them. Put away your phone, ignore the buzzes and beeps, and focus on the moment. Your undivided attention makes people feel special and important. This presence is memorable, making them think about you whenever they recall someone who truly made them feel seen and appreciated. Step 4. Show appreciation. Everyone wants to feel appreciated. Simple acts of kindness, words of gratitude, or even a message to say you're thinking of them can go a long way. Show appreciation for the little things they do and the big things they do. It's these moments of genuine gratitude that resonate deeply, embedding you in their thoughts, because you recognized and valued their contributions to your life. Creating an emotional connection isn't about manipulation or playing on emotions. It's about fostering a sincere bond that enriches both your lives. When you focus on deep listening, sharing vulnerabilities, being present, and showing appreciation, you become someone unforgettable, someone whose thought brings a smile and warmth. That's the essence of making someone think about you. Non-stop, by being an invaluable presence in their life. 5. Prioritizing your growth. One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is the ability to prioritize your growth and ambitions. When you focus on your personal development, you naturally exude confidence and purpose, irresistibly attractive qualities. Here's how prioritizing yourself can make you an unforgettable presence in someone's life. Step 1. Cultivate your passions. Your passions and interests make you who you are. They're the colors you paint your life with. When you actively engage in and talk about your passions, you not only become more interesting, but you also show that you have a life beyond the relationship. This independence and zest for life make you more desirable, as people are drawn to those who love what they do and pursue their interests with fervor. Step 2. Set and pursue personal goals. Having personal goals and actively working towards them demonstrates ambition and drive, whether it's career aspirations, fitness goals, or learning a new skill. Your dedication to self-improvement shows that you value yourself and your future. This not only makes you more attractive, but also keeps you on their mind as they admire your determination and wonder about your achievements. Step 3. Maintain healthy boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries is essential for any relationship. It shows that you respect yourself and expect others to do the same. When you communicate your boundaries clearly and stand by them, it commands respect. It also adds an element of challenge, as people respect and think more about those who know their worth and aren't afraid to assert it. Step 4. Show self-sufficiency. Being self-sufficient and not overly reliant on others for your happiness or fulfillment is incredibly attractive. It shows that, while you value the connection, you don't need it to feel complete. This level of independence can make someone more drawn to you, as they see you as a partner who complements their life rather than someone seeking to fill a void. Prioritizing your growth and happiness creates a magnetic allure. It sends a message that you're someone of substance, someone worth thinking about and investing in. By focusing on your journey, you not only enrich your life, but also become a source of inspiration for others. Remember, being thought of non-stop isn't just about being in someone's mind constantly. It's about being in their heart as a person of depth, purpose, and undeniable attraction. As we conclude this journey into the profound realm of Stoic prowess, remember that the power to influence others is not about manipulation, but about embodying the principles of virtue and wisdom. By cultivating a Stoic mindset, you've embarked on a path that transcends fleeting desires and focuses on lasting impact. Invite others to share in this wisdom by subscribing to our channel and spreading the Stoic ethos. Let the flame of rationality and virtue burn bright within you, guiding your actions and interactions. As Epictetus once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Until next time, stay stoic, stay wise, and let your actions resonate with the harmony of the cosmos.